Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Manny B Investing MBI, and we're going to be taking a look at Paribus and some Paribus news here. So GSR, why are we looking at GSR right now? What the heck does it have to do with Paribus? Let's go ahead and refresh and see what's going on here. So I've been hearing, and if you look at them, there's some people following them that I follow. Patrick Tobler, he's a NFT maker, Cardano person, Mango, and then Pudgy Penguins appears to be following them. Very interesting. Oh, let's go back here. But they are a OTC, over-the-counter market making. They're venture capitalists, investment management. Let's check out their website here. Yeah, we get it. What are their services? So they've got portfolio solutions. We can grow the size of your balance sheets with customized yield enhancing strategies, such as call overwriting. Our team sees every trading relationship as a partnership. We work with every counterparty to understand your return profile or specific yield target for your cryptocurrency holdings. Interesting. I don't know who would be a client for these services based on that, but I am curious and interested in learning about this company because I believe it's going to be important to get to know these people and this company and their product offerings for the Paribus community. So DeFi, GSR works with builders and token issuers as an active investor, liquidity provider, and infrastructure operator across the DeFi ecosystem. With integrations with major DEXs and all leading protocols, the GSR team has built robust on-chain engineering and trading capabilities. So we're just going to go over their offerings here real quick. And so crypto market making. So that's a potential one. DeFi's potential, but I think this is the one right here. Crypto market making. GSR has consistently helped maintain healthy markets for a variety of digital assets in the crypto ecosystem. Market makers enable financial markets to become more efficient by reducing price volatility and assisting with fair price discovery. So this is some big boy stuff here. Let's take a look at this. Contact them. What are the benefits? All right, let's go through this. Market makers. So this is a bad font. What are market makers? Market makers are firms or individuals that provide liquidity to the market by buying and selling cryptocurrencies to traders. They're essentially a middleman. They make markets. Investors and market participants around the world, that's you and me, they buy cryptocurrencies from sellers who are looking to part with them at a low price and sell them to buyers who are looking to acquire them at a higher price. They make their money in the middle. They make their money in the spread. That's how they profit. In this way, they help to facilitate trade and ensure that there's always someone on the other side of the trade. So you don't have to worry about liquidity issues like what you have to worry about with on Uniswap. And when there's low liquidity, you get these crazy fees, or not really fees, but slippage is what it's called. So you go to buy, so say for instance, you go to buy something and it's $1, but there's no liquidity. So instead of spending $1 and getting one token, now because of the slippage, when you spend $1, you get like a tenth of a unit, or a tenth of that crypto that you were looking to buy. That slippage is due to liquidity issues. They seem to sell a service that allows you to avoid those issues. They provide liquidity. What they do is they'll buy the asset, say it's $1 is what you're used to it being. They'll buy the asset for, let's say, 90 cents, and then they'll sell it for $1.10. And that difference is the spread That's where they make their profits, but you won't see crazy swings in the markets anymore. So you won't be able to see, oh, it dropped down, 20% in one day and pumped back up, unless it's natural, unless it's a real supply demand thing. So that's what they do. They just help stabilize markets, it takes money. It takes a lot of money to do that. So they're stepping in, I guess, for companies that would acquire these services to stabilize and allow the market to figure out what is the actual fair value of this asset based on supply and demand, based on how many people are selling and how many people are willing to buy and at what price. So that's the discovery part. Market makers are important because they help to reduce the volatility of price and provide a source of liquidity to the market. And they need to put a space there. Our edge has always been our technology. GSR works with leading cryptocurrency projects and cryptocurrency exchanges. Okay, so let's go there. And presents KPI that clearly aligns with and validates our market making value position with each partner. All trade executions are maintained in our proprietary database, and reporting is fully automated and customizable. GSR Market's institutional grade software suite was built entirely in-house by our developers. And then they've got some points here. Robust liquidity spread and order book KPI, 60 plus exchange integrations, deep liquidity provisioning across both central and decentralized venues. So I think with that is, instead of, a project having to go and, say, hey, we want the token to be, or Paribus to be on Coinbase, and they'd have to go to Coinbase and they'd have to make a deal with them, individual deal, and they pay the price and the coin gets listed. And then whatever happens to the price happens to the price. Same thing, with Binance. They go to Binance and they say, hey, we want our token to be on Binance. They do whatever deal with Binance individually and they go through. That could be exhausting. That could require an entire team of specialists to do market research and business deals with all of these exchanges. It could be very time consuming and capital inefficient for a project that's building in a bear market. So services like this, I can see where the benefit is. I can see where the value is. Through a thorough examination of our exchange and trading ecosystem, we learn your needs and set achievable goals. So they actually work with the companies to get to their goals when it comes to valuing their asset. That's cool. Our software measures performance on a most granular level, allowing for full visibility and flexibility. Daily market reports are available to all trading counterparties. Our team has experience trading with established and nascent projects. Very, very interesting. What are the benefits of crypto market making? Markets that have low liquidity will generally have wide bid-ask spreads in their order books. That can increase the volatility of the asset. Therefore, it makes it more difficult for traders to get a good price for their trade and have their orders filled. The overall liquidity of a market greatly influences its growth, and market makers play a big role in ensuring liquidity. Simply stated, the liquidity of an asset is its availability for buyers and sellers to easily trade it at any given time. So when you're on KuCoin and you're seeing all of the orders fly all over the place, and somebody can come in with, $25,000 and completely swing the market one way or the other, that's what they solve with this stuff. And I know some people are groaning and they're going, oh no, that's how I made my money. I waited for those opportunities and I struck. Maybe it's going away for you. Who knows? Increased market liquidity and order book depth mitigates dramatic price swings, like we just said. Assist with fair price discovery. So you get the real price discovery, the real value of your asset. More efficient bid-ask spreads in cryptocurrency exchange order books, more orderly entry and exit points for traders, dramatically reduces slippage. We talked about that. Helps accommodate large institutional investors. That's what we're looking for. We're looking for that institutional investment. I like it. I like it. I like it. So we're going to keep digging and seeing what's going on with these guys. But the reason why we're talking about GSR is because you can go head over to Paribus Telegram group. DNZ, or Dennis, the CEO of Paribus, posted earlier, strategic partnership announcement. GSR, a leading global crypto market maker and investor with 10 years of deep crypto experience, has joined Paribus's ecosystem as a strategic liquidity provider in preparation for our launch. As part of this agreement, we will be moving an initial amount of 200 million PBX tomorrow, February 24th, from our ecosystem treasury. They're making an investment in themselves. They're purchasing a service that will greatly benefit the project. And that is why I am going to be taking a look at what all of this means for the project, for me, for you, and seeing what is going to happen. What is it going to do with price? Are we going to get some actual price discovery now? These might be the end of days for those extremely low prices that we see now. Who knows? We don't know. We can't predict the future, but I've got a feeling. So, are your bags packed? Do you have the amount of Paribus tokens that you want to take with you on the long road to mainstream adoption? Do you have it? And if you don't, what's your plan? Let me know in the comments section. Make sure you hit that like, hit the share, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.